So your an is equal to a n minus 1 plus a n minus 2. Here n must be greater than 2, right? So we know that a1 value, a2 value, we don't know a3 value. a3 is equal to, substitute n value is 3 here. So a2 plus a1. Am I right, students? When I substitute 3 here, 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, a1. So we know that a1 and a2 value. So a3 is equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2. So a3 value is 2, then a4. What is a4? a4 is equal to, shall I write a3 plus a2? When I substitute 4 here, 4 minus 1 is 4 minus 1 is 3 and 4 minus 2 is 2. What is a3? a3 value already we got 2 plus 1. This is 3. Okay, in the same way, a5 students, what is a5 value? a4 plus a3. That is, a4 is 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. And then a6 is a5 plus a4 is equal to 5 plus 3, 8. So here we got that a1 value, a2 value, and a3, a4, a5, a6. Is it required to find a7? Yes. In the question, what they're asking, an plus 1 by an when n is equal to up to 5. When I substitute 5 here, 5 plus 1 becomes a6. Maximum we require to find a6. Okay, so that till a6 already we found it. Now an plus 1 by an. This value we need to find when n is equal to, for n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Okay, students, if n is equal to 1, what about this a? 1 plus 1 by a1, that is equal to a2 by a1.
1 by 1 equal to 1, sir.
This is 1. Next, when n is equal to 2, a2
2
plus
by
1 by
2, 2.
a3 by a2. What is a3 value, Amma? a3 value is 2 by, sorry, a3 value is 2 only, na? Sorry, 2 only. 2 by 1, that is 2. See here, what is a3? a3 value, we got it, 2. 2 by 1, 2. Next, n is equal to, when n is equal to 3, we are going to get a4 by a3. What is a4 value, students?
3.
3 by 2. Okay, that is 3 plus 1 by 3. When n is equal to 4 and n is equal to 5. So a4 plus 1 by a4 is equal to a5 by a4. So what is a5? a6 by a5. Yeah, what about a5, Amma? a5, 5 by 3. This is 5 by 3. This is 8 by 5. Any doubts, students?
Sir, what is the Fibonacci sequence, sir?
Fibonacci sequence means this is a sequence. Yeah.
Sir, can you speak a little bit louder?
Okay, fine. The Fibonacci sequence is a sequence is given by an is equal to an minus 1 plus an minus 2. Okay, students? When n greater than 2, this sequence, it is a sequence actually. When n greater than 2 means n is equal to 3, 4, 5. Because we know very well sequence is a function. Am I right? In starting class, I have given definition. Sequence is a function whose domain is what? Set of Which
Natural.
domain is what of
Natural.
natural number? Exactly. So natural number, so that we have to take n values only natural number here, n greater than 2, nothing but you have to take 3, 4, 5. Don't take 2.1, 2.2 like that, right? So this sequence is called the Fibonacci sequence, right, students?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next question. This is the last question in this exercise. Next, arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression means here about arithmetic progression everyone knows. Okay, and the sum of the first in terms of the arithmetic progression Sn formula. Clear? The nth term from the last also we know that. So everything we will discuss. Yeah. First, AP, arithmetic progression. Okay, your first term is generally denoted by A. Second term is A plus D, because when I take the common difference capital D, this is the second term, A plus 2D, A plus 3D is the fourth term, so on. What is the nth term?
A plus
Nth
n
term,
minus 1 into D.
A plus Y. Why can't we take here A plus ND, N into D? Because we are saying nth term, no? Why can't we take N into D? Here we are
If
taking
we
N
take
minus
n
1 into.
minus 10, it will be the next term of that, sir.
Yes, yes. See here, exactly, because here this is the second term, but 1 into D. Third term is given by 2 into D. Fourth term is 3 into D. Say nth term is N minus 1 into D, like that. So on. So here this nth term I'm going to take as An, or else this term I'm going to take as Tn. So nth term of AP arithmetic progression is A plus n minus 1 into D. Since we know that here A is the first term. Am I right, students? And D is the common difference. What is n? N nothing but n here represent number of terms. Number of terms, right? Okay, students. So then this is about the nth term. If they ask any particular term, we can find with help of an. Yes. Next, the sum of n terms. Sn means a plus D, a plus 2D, so on, plus a plus n minus 1 into D. Clear, students? Then what about the sum value? A is repeated how many times, twins?
N
N
times.
times. N times, right? Plus here D plus 2D plus 3D plus so on, N minus 1 into D. D take common, N into A, plus when I take D common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on, plus N minus 1. I'm going to deriving here Sn formula Na plus, okay students, here D into, since we know that the sum of first n term of the natural number is what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on, plus
N
n
into n
value
plus 1 by 2.
n into n plus 1 by 2. This is sum of n terms. But here sum of, here we are having sum of n minus 1 terms. What is sum of n minus 1 terms?
Sir, n into n
Sir, n
minus 1
minus
by 2.
1 into n by 2.
N minus 1, n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1, all divided by 2. Here anyhow minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. So then Sn is
N,
equal to Na plus n into n minus 1 into D all divided by 2. What is the common should I take here? Take LCM.
n,
2 an plus n into n minus 1 into d all divided by 2. Now what is the common in both? Shall I take n minus n by 2 is common? N by 2 is common, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the sum of n terms of AP. Sum of n terms of AP. Is that clear, students?
Sir, we can further simplify now, sir. A plus n minus 1 into
Here
d.
we can
A
write
plus
a
n.
plus l. A plus l. This is also we can written as you said, a plus 2a can be written as a plus a n minus 1 into d. So what about this value here? This is clearly, what about this value? A. So this is n by 2 of a plus an, or else this is also can be written as an is the last term, so that we can write a plus l. Therefore, this is Sn n by 2 of a plus l. So like that, we can easily derive that nth term, even not only this even geometric progression. Also, we can easily derive that nth term of the geometric progression. Simply remember the formula so that you know very well the sum of n terms or nth term of the AP. Okay, let us do this questions. Exercise 9.2. Find the sum of odd integer from where to where 1 to 2001. Okay, sum. Here they are asking the sum. So exercise 9.2. Exercise 9.2, the first question. What is the first question, students? Sum of an odd integer 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on plus 2000 is still what term? 2001. Okay, students.
First, we
Right.
should
Is it?
use AN formula to get N, sir.
Yes, exactly. Sn formula is here we know that a value is first term 1 and last term also we know that l value 2001. But what is the formula when we know the first term and last term? N by 2 of a plus
So we
l.
should find N, sir.
Exactly. So here we know
10
that
lakh
a value, l value, but we don't know the number of terms.
sir, AN
Yes,
equal to A plus N minus 1 into D.
yes, with help of nth term,
2001 equal to 1 plus N minus 1 into difference, sir. 2.
an means last term, that is 2001, 1
1
plus
N minus 1
n
into
minus
2.
1, 2, right. So then here,
2000, N minus 1 equal to 2000 by 2. 1000.
yeah, then 1 you can take 2000 is equal to 2000 is
N
equal
minus
to
1 equal to
n minus 1 into 2. So n
N
minus
minus 1
1
equal
is
to 1000. N
1000,
equal to 1000.
n is equal to 1001. Am I right? So clearly the total number of terms are 1001. So this value you can substitute in equation 1. So from the equation 1, tell me students what is Sn then? Sn is equal
Sir,
to
10 lakh 2001, sir.
into what is the first term 1, the last
1
term
plus
is,
2001.
so finally
1001
answer
square, sir.
1001 square. Fine. Okay.
Sir,
Fine.
1002 001.
Sir, 10 lakh 2001.
1002
Double
0
01.
0 1.
Super. Right. So this is Sn n nothing but 1001. Okay, students. Right. So easy. So that is the sum of the required integer from 1 to 2001. The next one is find the sum of all natural numbers lying between lying between 100 to 1000, which are multiple of 5. See here, we should not consider 100 and we should not consider 1000 also here. Just we have to find the sum of the natural number lying between. So I think so everyone got an idea. And right, what is the first series, given series? Sequence is what? Given sequences between, what is the multiple of 5?
Sir, 105 to
105.
995, sir. 110, 115
Yeah,
to 995.
115, so on till the last term is 985. These are the natural number between 100 to 1000, which is multiple of 5 or divisible 5, any one of that. Multiple of 5. What they're asking here? Multiple of 5, exactly. So here, when I consider here, this is A. What is the common difference amount? 110 minus 105, nothing but common difference is 5. So D value is 5, A value is 105. The total number of terms, how many are there? Again, do you know the total number of terms here? No, we don't
So
know.
we should find by AN formula, sir.
Yeah, this is AN. A plus N minus 1 into D. So 995 should be equal to 105 plus N minus 1 into D is 5. Right, students? Right, fine. Now, what is N value then? Which implies N minus 1 into 5 is equal to 995 minus 105. This is equal to 890. So N minus 1 is equal to 890 by 5. This is equal to what, students? 1? Yes?
So
178.
178.
So N value is 179.
9.
So the total number
Yes.
of terms which
Sir,
is
SN
multiple.
value. Sir, SN value is 98450, sir.
Okay, very good. Then we can go for the next question. Sn is equal to n by 2 of A plus L. So that is 179 by 2 of A value is 105 plus 995. Okay, so final, after simplifying this, what is the answer?
Sir, 98450.
Is it right, students? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is the answer. Very easy questions. Okay, next, the third one is, what is the third question? In AP, the first term is 2 and the sum of the first 5 terms is 1/4 of the next 5 terms. Sum of the first times, first 5 terms is 1/4 of the next 5 terms. Show that 20th term is minus 112. Is it difficult, students?
Sir, no, sir.
Yeah, see here, A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 is equal to 1 by 4 times of, yes, you find it fastly, A6 to,
Sir, you can write as S5 is equal to 1 by 4 times S10 minus S5.
Yes, 10 minus S5.
that is super. You get
Sir,
that's
we
simple.
will get 5 times of SY is equal to S10, sir.
S5 is equal to 1 by 4th times of S10 minus S5. Okay. Clear, students? S5 is equal to S10 minus S5. This is clear. Third question. Okay, now then your cross multiplier.
Sir, at last we will get pi S5 is equal to S10, sir.
S10. Okay, so S10 minus S5. So S10 is equal to 5 times of S5. Okay, fine. Up to here clear. Then what about S10? 10 formula. 10 by 2 of
Sir,
then
a plus n minus 1, a plus 90,
A
2a
plus
plus 90.
right 2a plus 90. Fine. So 2a plus n minus 1, 10 minus 1, that is 90, clearly equal to 5 times of uh, n by 2. N by 2 means 5 by 2. Then what about Amma? Yes, 2a plus
2a plus
4
4d,
into.
sir.
Yeah, all of you simplify this. You'll get the relation.
Sir, we get as 3a plus d equal to 0, so that is the relation.
Okay, 3a plus d is equal to, yeah, just a moment. Fine.
Sir, they have given the value of A, no, sir.
Yes, exactly. The first term already given. What is the first term here? 2a, 2a. So clearly they given a is equal to 2. And here we can cancel this. 5 ones are. Shall I cancel directly here? 5 ones are. 5 twos are. 2 to get cancelled here. Okay. Next, even multiply with this 2. So finally 2 into a, 2 into 2 plus 9 into d is clearly equal to, multiply with 5 by 2. When I multiply this 5 by 2, 2 to get cancelled, this to cancel. So 5a, 5 into 2 plus 5 4s are 20, 20 by 2 is 10 into d. Then what is d value, Oma? Finally d value we got as
So minus 3a.
minus 3. A value is 2, no? Okay, okay. Minus 3 m is 6.
Sir, minus 6, sir.
Minus 6 will get, right. So minus 3 into 2 means this is 6. Is it clear, students? I substituted A
Sir,
already given. Yeah.
sir, if we substitute, we will get 2 plus minus 114, sir, minus 112.
And you're saying about answer.
Yes, sir, to prove no, sir, 20th term is 100 and minus
Yeah.
112.
So finally, we got D value. After getting D, they're asking the particular term, so that first we can take the formula. So A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is the term they asked? Term means a 20. When n is equal to 20, a 20 is equal to a value 2 plus 20 minus 1 into d is minus 6. After simplifying this, what is the answer? A20 value.
Sir, 2 plus minus 114.
Answer after that
Minus 112.
minus 112. Clear, students? This is the answer, minus 112. So thus the 20th term is 112. So here a value is given, we don't know d value alone. So n value already given, n value is 20. A20 value they ask. So next question. Right. Okay, already proved that, miss. Right. Next. So what about this? How many terms of AP? This is a AP minus 6 minus 11 by 2, comma minus 5, so on are needed to give the sum minus 25, right? How many terms? Nothing but indirectly, what is the value they are asking here? How many terms? Nothing but n value. For that, a value is given -6. If you find the difference here, we are going to get d value, and sum already given -25. Sn value already given -25. Do it fast, twins. Now tell me, what is the given sequence, given progression?
-6 minus 11 by 2 minus 3
-6 -11 by 2
minus 5.
-5, so on. Clearly they are given these are in AP. So right, and also they given Sn value. Sn is equal to -25, right, students? -25. Okay, ma. When I comparing your, what is the a value first term? Students, -6. What is the common difference? CD, -11 by 2 minus of -6, that is 6 minus 11 by 2, that is 1 by 2. Is it clear, students? Is it right? Yes, it is right. So we got the common difference. This is small d value. So a value, d value, and we need to find the small n value. So what is the Sn formula?
1 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So Sn value already given -25 is equal to n by 2. Okay, so 2 into -6 plus n minus 1 into d value. Common difference is 1 by 2. So do it fast and simplify and tell me answer. What is n value? Okay, cross multiply -50 is equal to n into -12. Take LCM here. Here also, if you take LCM, to -12 becomes -24. Am I right? Shall I write directly after taking LCM? 24 here plus n minus 1. Yes, students. Again, 2 cross multiplier -100 is equal to n into n minus 25. So for what value of n, it will be equal to -100, or else you can multiply with n square, n into -25 -25 n plus 100 is equal to 0. So we got a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation in terms of n. So what are the factors for 100? Yes, students. 100 is there. 20
and 5.
That's all.
The 10 and 10.
-20 minus 5. Not plus 20. -20 minus 5 becomes, okay, -25. So this can be written as n minus 20 into n minus 5 is equal to 0, which implies n minus 20 is equal to 0, n minus 5 is equal to 0. So finally n is equal to 5 and n is equal to 20. Yeah, n is equal to 5 we got and n is equal to 20 we got. Yeah, students, which one is the correct answer? Whether n is equal to
Both, sir.
20? Both. Either.
So both are because sum of 6th term to 20th term is 0.
Yes, exactly. Or you should write here or. That's it. Clear. Clear, Amma? Any doubts? That is fourth also simple question. Fifth one. In a AP, pth term is 1 by q, qth term is 1 by p. Then prove that their sum. Prove that the sum of first PQ terms is 1 by 2 terms of this kind of questions are important. Okay, question number 4 till 4th is nothing here. This is also easy actually, but yeah. Tell me the question next, 5th one. Tell me, Amma.
Sir, AP is equal to 1 by AQ,
Sir, in
sir.
sir,
AP is equal to,
1 by AQ, sir.
shall I write AP as A plus P minus
P
1
minus
into,
equal to 1 by Q.
right, 1 by Q. Right,
A
then
plus Q minus 1 into D equal to 1 by P.
A plus Q
Q
minus
minus
1
1
into D.
equal to 1 by P.
Okay, then they're asking,
Yes, PQ, sir.
question is what? Prove that.
Prove that the sum of first PQ terms is half PQ plus 1.
That is nothing but they're asking about
Yes,
SPQ.
PQ equal to
That is,
half
shall I write like this?
PQ. Yes,
2A
sir.
plus,
PQ by 2 plus 2A plus PQ minus 1 by 2. 1 into D.
right? This is, they're asking about this value is what? Already they have given, prove that. Am I right?
Sir, AP as first equation and taking AQ as second equation, we can subtract, sir. So with that we can find A and D value.
Okay, I'm going to take this is 1, this is
We can
2.
subtract it, sir.
Okay, fine, we can subtract. Okay, so here
A is cancelled, sir. 1 by Q minus 1 by
AP
Q equal
minus
to
AQ. Okay, A get cancelled, fine. When I take D common, when I solving these two, here D is common.
sir, P minus 1 minus Q plus 1. P minus 1 minus Q plus 1. So there minus will come, sir. Minus of Q
Okay,
minus
sir.
1 into D.
Right. So when I take D common,
P
P minus 1 minus Q
1
plus 1 is equal to C,
P
student.
minus Q
When I take LCM is PQ, P
minus Q.
minus Q. P minus Q means minus 1 plus 1.
Here
Shall
also
I,
P minus Q is cancelled, sir.
P minus Q is equal to P minus
D equal to 1 by PQ.
PQ. Nothing but these two get cancelled. So finally, what is the common difference we
D
got it here?
equal to 1 by PQ.
Right, exactly.
So
So
if we
we
substitute
got
first
the
equation value of A, sir, A is also 1 by PQ.
A is also 1 by PQ. Right, let us see now.
Yes, sir.
Any one of the equation you can substitute. Either you can substitute in equation 1 or equation 2. Okay, let us take the first one. You have taken first one or second one? Let us take second one then.
First,
A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to 1 by P. Am I right, students?
yes, sir.
I'm taking the second one. Let's see here. A plus Q minus 1 into 1 by PQ is equal to 1 by P. Right?
Take L, sir.
Yeah. Now, multiply.
APQ plus Q minus 1.
When you multiply here, what will happen? Q get cancel 1 by AP minus 1 by PQ is equal to 1 by P. Shall I cancel here 1 by P, 1 by P?
Yes, sir. A equal to 1 by PQ.
A is equal to take minus 1 by PQ right side, so 1 by PQ, right?
If we
Fine,
substitute, sir, then we will get the answer, sir, in the formula of SPQ.
that's all. Simple. All of you substitute and simplify, students. This simplification and all you can do it. Yes? Can you do this? PQ by 2 terms of 2A. 2 into 1 by PQ plus PQ minus 1 into D 1 by PQ. So first multiply with 1 by PQ, or else you can take PQ is common. PQ is common. Then this cancel. So 1 by 2 times of 2 plus PQ minus 1, that is 1 by 2 times of PQ plus 1 will get. This is the required answer. Am I right, students? I simplified that. Any
Sir,
doubts?
can you want me to scroll down, sir, that answer part? Sir, down, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, 1 minute.
Yeah. Yeah, next question. I'll explain you can try at home. So if the sum of a certain number of terms of the AP is 116, again SN value they given 116. Find the last term.
4,
Okay.
sir.
Is it 4?
Yes, sir, 4, sir. N equal to 8, sir.
N is equal to?
8.
So the number of terms are 8. A is given 25. D is given -3. Okay. So we need to find N value. Further, they given some SN value. So you can try this question. The last term is 4. Is that right, students? 4 is the last term.
Yes, sir.
So 4 plus some 4 plus 7 plus so on till 25 should be equal to 116. Okay, right. So even next seventh one and the remaining question will do next class.
Thank you, sir.